Okay, everybody, let's say Happy Thanksgiving to Grandma Gloria, or Great Grandma
Now?
Gloria. Yeah, now, ready?
Happy Thanksgiving to Grandma Gloria.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And this is our friend Siggy, by the way, wearing the pink shirt. And of course, Wendy's here, and this is the food we have. Yes, turkey and gravy and green beans.
Because we know you're dying to know what our Thanksgiving dinner looks like.
That's right. Say hi to Grandma Gloria there, Jonathan.
Hi, Grandma Gloria.
Yeah, we're having fun. Okay, oh, and I guess you need to see me too, so I'm going to flip the camera around, and you can see me. Hi, Mom. We're having a good time here. Just wanted to send you this little greeting, and yeah, love you.
Hey, Mom, could you pass
Happy
me this
Thanksgiving.
thing that spins the-
Say Happy Thanksgiving.
We have a lot of
Say Happy Thanksgiving,
I
Karen.
need more sweet potato than I thought it would.